Racing just is started. We have had it coming. Break quickly at a start. Best Art moving up now on the outside. Is Inimitable. Then next on line is Rizzling Chance and Dior. The Real Thing comes next in the middle portion. Now is Crafty Treasure. While Real Heaven is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Inimitable moving up on the outside by our nose. Down on the inside is Best Art, 2 lengths further back in third comes Has It coming, then comes Rizzling, next on line is Johnson Dior, moving up now is The Real Thing alongside Real Heaven, while Crafty Treasure now racing unless inside at Tres Octavo, we have Inimitable or rather Has It coming now takes command, down on the inside is Best Art, Rizzling down in third, moving up now on the outside is Crafty Treasure, down on the inside is Johnson Dior, and on the outside Real Heaven, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Sit coming by about 2 lengths. Best Art in second, Chance and Dior now trying to get closer in third with about 100 meters of the race. Has It coming followed by Best Art, Chance and Dior, The Real Thing. Last 50 meters we have Has It coming, The Real Thing is on the outside and final close between Has It coming, The Real Thing, Chance and Dior, Best Art. Then comes Crafty Treasure, Real Heaven.